Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today we are gonna have our skincare routine featuring Korean beauty. And I bought all of this from Yesstyle. Yep, Yesstyle. So of course, if you want to know what I got from Yesstyle, then keep on watching. Korean beauty, I do love Korean beauty when it comes to skincare. I know they have lots of good products, and when you say Korean beauty, I definitely trust Korean beauty. I love Korean beauty, skincare, makeup, everything, because they just work. And of course, I'm an Asian, so I think the Korean skincare is more formulated towards Asian skin. So the first one that I got, which is I am using now, is this it's upside down. It's the blackhead nose pack. Here it is. Yeah, it's a blackhead nose pack. So I just wash my face and then wet the nose part with warm water so that the pores will be open, and then of course just apply this on top of your nose and then let it stay for like 15 minutes. I just want to tell you front that this doesn't smell good. So now the nose, or the blackhead nose pack, is already hard. Let's peel it off.
Like, it's really hard. So I only do this like once a week because it's really gonna tear off your skin. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's not much to go because I just exfoliated nose, so you can barely see anything. Yeah, so that is the nose pack. The next product is our toner slash exfoliating. It's the Stress Out Solution Pad. This is from the brand Bella Monster. I've been using this type of toning pads because it's just easier to just apply it on the face because it's already in in a container, and then the pads are already soaked with the toning solution. It's easy to exfoliate, it's easy to tone, to restore the pH levels of our skin, and also to clean this gunk. So this is from Bella Monster. So all of the links for these products are down below, but yeah. So this is also good for sensitive skin, so all skin types, and it really smells good, promise. This one smells really good. So we're gonna get one solution pad. So this bottle right here comes with 70 solution pads. For synergetic effect of carrot seed oil, effective for soothing the skin, that ensure clean and calming care for the skin. Centella asiatica extract, which is good for if you have acne. And there's no alcohol. It has lactic acid, which is also good for exfoliating your skin. And then there's some oil. Yeah, goodness. No parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, all of those harmful chemicals. Yeah, these are all good ingredients. Whew. So yeah, so I felt really good about that toning pad. I love that.
So it's not irritating on the skin. It doesn't feel like, what do you call that? It doesn't feel itchy or irritating. It doesn't feel harsh on the skin.
I love this product right here. It has 70 pads, so it can last you up to 2 months. So next is, we have the Frutia Avocado Relief Cream. So this guy right here has abundant amino acid ingredient instead of water. This cream takes care of rough and weak skin to become comfortable. Within only 2 weeks, this product will help the improvement of skin barriers and prevent moisture loss, and quickly calm down red skin which has become weak due to external stimulation. So this is also good for all skin types, and of course especially for dry skin, you need that moisture. And this will be applied at the last step of skincare. Apply the product on your face until absorbed to create a protective moisturizing barrier. It looks like the cream from Glow Recipe. It has this white creamy texture. A dollop, then apply evenly on your face. This is how I apply my moisturizer. I love it. Just look at my skin. It's really hydrating, right? Yeah. That is it for my Korean beauty skincare. And if you want to get one of these products, all of the links will be down below. And use code Daphne24 for a discount when you order through Yesstyle and through my links. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Have a good one.